Welcome back to the channel and to the finished video on the 2017 Citroen C3 Puretech. If you haven't seen the first video on this car, then click on the link in the top corner and you'll be able to see the very light damage it had, which did put it into the register as a Cat N non-structural damaged car. But now it's fully repaired, serviced and ready to go. This is the 1.2 3-cylinder petrol model with 5-speed manual gearbox. It's only covered 28,672 miles, but it has just had a new clutch kit, a full service carried out. There is a full V5 logbook, 1 key, and this is MOT'd till the 29th of March 2025. The car comes with features such as cruise control and speed limit system, electric windows, electric mirrors, remote central locking, air conditioning, and a full touchscreen multimedia system. If you have any questions on this car or any of my other cars, you can email me on c96rebuilds@gmail.com. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos, and if you do like them, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share them with others. And do keep an eye out for any new videos coming soon, and I'll see you on the next one.